Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do a 9 loop puff stitch. So the first part, you're going to pull a loop up with your hook, then yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, whatever stitch your pattern tells you to go into, yarn over and pull up a loop. You want to pull this up to the same height. Now yarn over again in the same place and pull up a loop to the same height. So now you have 5 loops. So we're going to do another yarn over, insert your hook in the same place, pull up another loop. So now you have 7, so we'll do this one more time. Yarn over, the same stitch, pull up a loop. So now you should have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now to finish the puff stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 9 loops on your hook. Some people have trouble pulling through all 9, so I like to tip my hook down a little bit, and it helps it not get caught on the other yarns. So pull that all the way through all 9 stitches, then yarn over and pull through that loop to finish it. And that is a 9 loop puff stitch.